Come test drive the 2018 Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on the top. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, heated seats, navigation system, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, Bose sound system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.